Education Society, redefining excellence.
This is a video of the zero crossing detector. Lots of projects like firing angle control with the help of microcontroller, AC pulse width modulation, as well as power factor control. Like this, lots of concept. There is a need to control the sine wave. At that time, for program of the microcontroller need a zero crossing detector, means zero level of the sine wave is required. That's why this circuit is used for this. So this is a step down transformer, bridge rectifier. At here pulsating DC is coming at here to pulsating DC at for inverting terminal, pulsating DC, and with the help of this capacitor filter to remove the ripple, as well as this 7812 voltage regulator, voltage is regulated and gives at here. Across this IN 4148 we will get a 0.7 voltage, and it will goes to non-inverting terminal of the comparator. So this comparator compare this 0.7 volt with the pulsating DC which is come from here. So after comparing this, we will get the zero crossing detector at here. We will see the output, then we can understand. Check this. This is a pulsating DC. This is a across voltage across the IN 4148, and this is the output of the comparator. So like this, it's a 0.7, and check this. Means whenever this pulsating DC is more as compared to this 0.7, then output is a 0, and whenever this pulsating DC goes below this, means it is nearer to 0, then output is high of the comparator. So this waveform is a zero crossing detector. This waveform is a zero crossing detector. Thank you.